Hi, I'm Dr. Abe. I'm an MD and cannabis health coach, and I'm here today to give you all the basics about the endocannabinoid system. Did you know that you're making your own cannabinoids right now? As we speak, your body is internally balancing itself by making and breaking down its own cannabinoids called endocannabinoids. Cannabinoids are one of nature's unique messengers used by plants and animals. Our bodies are designed in a way that allows nerves to talk to each other, and one of the most important ways that they communicate is through the endocannabinoid system. Endocannabinoids are just one of three major parts of the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system is actually made up of endocannabinoids, the endocannabinoid receptors CB1 and CB2, and the enzymes that make and break them down. The important thing you need to know is that everyone and almost every animal has an endocannabinoid system regulating their body. If you have a genetic deficiency in one or more parts of your endocannabinoid system, it could cause a lot of weird overlapping symptoms and may cause something called clinical endocannabinoid deficiency, or CED. CED is a leading theory for explaining a lot of conditions that Western medicine doesn't have an explanation for yet. These are things like fibromyalgia, migraines, and irritable bowel syndrome. Sadly, many of these patients are often dismissed by their providers without finding a root cause. The reason cannabis is popular among these kinds of patients is because they can tackle the cannabinoid receptors and boost endocannabinoids to help your body regulate itself as usual. Plant-based cannabinoids like CBD, CBDA, CBG, and more can do this by stopping the breakdown of our endocannabinoids and making them more available, fortifying what we call endocannabinoid tone. On the other hand, we have cannabinoids like THC and Delta-8 that work by directly activating our endocannabinoid receptors, which is why they make us feel high. But CBD and the other C-letter cannabinoids don't. The C-letter cannabinoids, as I like to call them, don't actually hit our cannabinoid receptors differently or efficiently. Instead, they work in the background to increase our body's own natural endocannabinoids. They also have 65 other targets in the body that can help directly target things like inflammation, mood, pain, nausea, and more. Because they work more outside of the endocannabinoid system, some scientists debate that we should just call cannabinoid receptors THC receptors instead. But there should be a better term to encompass the endocannabinoid system, along with the rest of the body's receptors that respond to cannabinoids. Well, this concept of an expansion pack of the endocannabinoid system is now called the endocannabinoid dome. With the science on the endocannabinoid system still evolving, make sure you stay subscribed with us to get all the latest updates in cannabis science. If you have any questions about the endocannabinoid system, write them in the comments section and I'll try to answer them or point you in the right direction. For more information on the endocannabinoid system, visit the link in the description.